The reason is, we're expected to love the other person the way they want to be loved. Hindi kaya yon. What do I mean? Men, when they work because feeling nila their love language is to provide and protect. Pag uwi nila, sabi ng misis niya, hindi mo inayos yung gripo. Sa lalaki, pag uwi niyan, gusto na magpahinga to find a home. Sinanapan mo ng gripo, patay na. Hindi mo inayos yung gripo, sabi mo, hindi mo ako love. Is that true? No, nagtrabaho siya. And then may love language time. You require men to still give you time after a long day work. Okay? Pagod na yon. If your love language is time, ikaw magbigay ng time. Because that's your love language eh. Do you understand what I'm telling you? His love language is service. Pag uwi niya, minahal ka na niya. Sabi mo kulang kasi hindi yun ang gusto ko. Hindi nga niya alam yun eh. I hope you're understanding na ang ibig sabihin ng love language ito. Yung love language ng partner mo is time. So kung love language yung time, siya dapat magbigay ng time. That is what I'm telling you. Ang love language ng lalaki, service. So pag nag-serve na siya, nagtrabaho siya, pinakitaan ka na niya ng love. So wala akong problema sa idea of love language. Totoo yun. However, if your love language is a certain thing, ikaw ang magbibigay nun, hindi mo hihingin sa kabila. Bakit? Hindi niya alam yun.